In this video, I will simply talk about a phone stand. It's a very simple thing which we need in our everyday life, and this is what you use each and every day. But maybe you do not know how to describe the whole process, right? How to place a phone. So you can place your phone like this on the phone stand, and the phone stand, the color is black. It is a black one, and it is completely made with plastic. So plastic, and that's why it's little cheap, right? It comes with only 10 taka, and maybe shopkeepers who are selling this to us, they are buying it with maybe only 5 taka, and they are selling it with 5 taka profit, so total 10. And this is another way of placing your phone on a phone stand. This is another way how you can place your phone on a phone stand. Now, let me tell you why a phone stand is important. For example, maybe right now you are watching this video and your phone is on a phone stand, or maybe you are simply holding this phone like this. If we hold something, this is called holding something. If we hold something with our hand for a long time, then we have pain, right, in our hand. And this is not really very much comfortable to hold your phone for 1 or 2 hours. So simply you need something which can support your phone to hold one single position. So a phone stand can support your phone like this, and the position of your phone will not change if you hold or if you keep your phone here. And we have another position like this, a landscape one. So this is how you can also place your phone while watching content on YouTube or probably Facebook or any other things. And at the same time, when you work, I saw many people, they are actually working on phone. They do not hold their phone, they do not keep their phone holding, right? What they do, simply place on a phone stand. And phone stand, this is the, I think, the cheaper one. It comes with 10 taka, but I saw phone stand which is more expensive, right, more advanced. So you might have one, but I have 2 3 like this, which yeah, I use it. I don't have any problem with this. Anyways, this is how we can actually speak English with simple things, simple topics. That's why I'm trying to show you some practical things in English, right? Yeah, although I'm speaking English the whole video, there is no Bangla here, but this is how actually you can improve your English. So if you want to improve, then speak English, practice English. And if you found this video important and interesting, then you can follow me on Facebook and YouTube. Anyways, so I'll see you in another video, but before ending this video, let me know in the comment box, how much did you understand like my English? 100%, 80%, 70%, or 50%? That actually defines how good you are in terms of speaking or understanding English. So how much did you understand? Please let me know in the comment box. I'll see you in another video. Thank you very much for watching.